In this chapter, I'm going to show you how to put the little ribbon on. It's a houndstooth pattern, and what that does really is that it's got a little bit of stretch to it, which means that you can steam it in really easy as well. Not only does it look really cute, makes it look kind of really commercial actually. It doesn't look like a homemade item then, but it also makes your life a lot easier. So let's put that one in now. So what we're going to do is stitch the ribbon all the way around, and then we're simply going to turn it up. So first step, get your ribbon, go onto the sewing machine and stitch it onto the very edge, just like that. Okay, just on the edge, just so it overlaps and you catch it. That's all you need to do. Try to go close to the edge here, all the way along. So what I do here is I lift it up, and as you can see, I'm just going to put it down so it just overlaps. That's probably 5 mil, and then I stitch it close to the edge here. And now we've done this, we just need to turn it up. So simple. So what you want to do is turn in the end here and turn it up. Now we're going to give that this really good iron just around the edge. And this stuff is great because you can steam that in really easily. It's really not hard. And so I can just steam that in. See? It's just no trouble. Look at that. Awesomeness. Now we're done, and I can just sew this together. Now I'm thinking of using blue on the bobbin thread and then red on the top. So let's just see if that works. Sometimes, of course, you see where the threads do this, they interlock. Then it might come up a little bit here, but I'm just going to go for it and see if it works, because I think it'll be really nice if that was dark blue on here and didn't have any red thread on it. And then when she's wearing this open, like over a t-shirt, and this comes out, I think this will look gorgeous. And now we're just going to go all the way around on this. Yeah, it's fine. Look at that. Looks good. Woo-hoo. I'm going to pull out my pin again. I don't want that to get caught. Now I'm going to change the thread over. So I'm going to have red on the bobbin and blue on the top. And now I'm going to sew from the underside. Und Let's have a look. Yeah, it's nice. Look at that. So hooray for Puff, this worked really well. Surprisingly, red on this side, blue on that side. And now we can have another look, but I think this came out really nice. I wasn't entirely sure that it wouldn't show, but you really can't see it. I think this is really cool. It makes it look a little bit more commercial, so not handmade. This could have come from a really, really beautiful boutique. It's like, I don't know, is this Western style or Bavaria style? I think it's a little bit of both, and I absolutely love it. It looks great. So all you need to do now is pick up all your threads and then just ogle at the beauty of your work. And don't forget to share it. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Am I allowed to say that? This is really, really nice.